Hello everyone. Thank you again for watching this video. So today we are going to demystify the count function that we use in SQL. It is almost same for any kind of relational database, be it Oracle, be it MySQL, be it SQL Server or Postgres. So we'll go ahead and understand what is count star, what is the difference between count one, and if I do a count of some column name. So this is our table, employee table. When I run this, so this is the data that we have. Okay, it has employee number, name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission, and department number. And then we have 14 rows. Okay, just to help you understand, I have taken this data in the CSV, and I'll show it in the Excel. So here you can see the data here, and we have 14 rows here. And what is the interesting part? If I do a count star, I'll get output as 14 rows. Why? Because it has total 14 rows. Okay, so count star will include all the null values also. So even if suppose there was a row which had all the values as null, even then it would show total count as 14. Now what I have done, the next thing is this count. If I do a count of employee number here, so what is the output? 14. If I do a count of key name, 14. Why? Because there are no null values. If I do a count of job, again output is 14 because there are no null values. Now if I do a count of manager, here you can see 7839. For 7839 the manager value is null. So what is the total count that I have? Is 13. So the output of count of manager would be 13. Similarly, for hire date and salary there are no null values, hence total number of rows that I have in the table, so it will be 14. And for the commission, so if you look at, there are 4 values which have non-null values, which are not null. Okay, it has some number, the others are null, so those nulls would be excluded. So it would be like total rows 14 minus all these null values, so this is like 10. We are excluding the null, so output is 4, or you could say simply non-null values, so the output is 4. For department, again it's 14. So we'll just look at this example in the form of query. I have explained it here. So what is count star? Count star, we'll just relook at it again once I run the query. So here is the query. I'll take another example here, count of say 400, something like this. I'll execute this query. We'll see the output. Okay, so count star, like I said, total number of rows. So what is the total number of rows? The total number of rows for employee is 14. Total rows is 14. So count star will return all the rows, including the null values. Count of 1 and count of 400 will return 14. Right? So count of 1 and count of 400, it's just a number that we have. It's something like this: select one from spot.emp, or select 400 from spot.emp, and we are taking count of this. So what it would look like this? The output would look like this, something like this. It is like 400. Just the value, nothing else. The hard coded values generally. So the count of this would be again 14. So let me execute the query again. Yeah. Now if I go to manager, there was one null value. So we exclude that null value, and hence the output is 13. And if I go to commission, like I said, there are only 4 non-null values, hence the output is 4. And for employee number, it's 14. I hope this is clear, and all the doubts regarding the count star, count one, or count of the column name like manager, commission, employee number. So you would have a lot of clarity on this going ahead. Thank you guys. Have a good day. And if you have any doubts or queries, do comment. And if you like the video, or if you like the explanation or analysis, something that you have learned new, do comment. Do let me know. Subscribe my channel also. It will motivate me to do something better. Thank you. Have a good day.